This is a great morning. We're here in Douglasville, Georgia. We walk in a property that we have some water damage, big damage here in the basement. As you see, all the ceiling is being taken down. A lot of demo has been done in this house. We right now dealing with the insurance company. They almost approved the claim. We're here with the homeowner checking out some HVAC problems. As you see, we have extensive damage in all these places. All the floors have been taken down. Basically, most of the drywall in all these rooms is being cut out. The machines already have dried out all the surface here. It's a bathroom right here. Now we have all this damage on the drywall. All the floor is being gone, and everything basically need to be rebuilt. We're going to re-insulate this place. We already pulled the permits for it. We're waiting just for the approval from the insurance in order to be able to help this customer. If you have water damage, as soon as you call the remediation company, 2 steps really important. Time is everything. If it takes, like in this case, it was a few hours actually before the homeowner find out that they have a leak on it, actually cause a lot of damage, big damages, as you see on the ceiling, the walls, the flooring. And this is like a split level house. That means that all the damage is going to be concentrated on the basement. After basically demolition, trying to remove all the wet insulation, the wet drywall, the wet carpet, and dry out ocean blowers. The blowers running here for about 6 days, and we are ready to remove them. We're ready to start rebuilding everything down here. And as I said, it's been since January the 3rd that this homeowner has been working on it, and she's coping with a lot of different things. But we're here to help. We're up to the challenge. We put her at ease, and actually we signed a contract this morning. We're going to be able to renovate this place hopefully in 3 weeks. We're getting started this coming Monday, and we keep you on the loop. Thanks for watching. This is Victor Aponte from MOG Improvement Services. We specialize in any kind of contracting, residential contracting work, and we handle everything, one-stop shop. Thanks a lot for following. More to come. Thanks.